Hey, it's a great day. I'm Energizer, and today is day 31 on the Appalachian Trail. So let's do this. Today is kind of a big day. We'll be going by McAfee's Knob. It is the most photographed spot on the Appalachian Trail. It's where everybody gets their big happy snaps with the overhanging cliff. So we'll be going by McAfee's Knob, and then we will be going by Tinker Cliffs. So we'll be going through there. And if you add McAfee's Knob and Tinker Cliffs with the Dragon's Tooth, which we did yesterday, that is the Virginia Triple Crown. So we'll be completing the Virginia Triple Crown today. And then we should end the day after about 26 miles of walking in the town of Daleville, where I will be doing a resupply. So, pretty full day. Sun's coming up. Gonna be a pretty day. Walking by cows. Here's a view. Nice. Look. Crawling up more slabs. All good. This is at Tinker's Cliffs. Yeah, I didn't say anything earlier when I was at McAfee's Knob, but the cliffs along here, they're very pretty, but they are dangerous. A few days ago, a thru-hiker fell off McAfee's Knob and died. And while I was at McAfee's Knob taking those pictures, his father was there with some of the hikers that he had hiked with, and they were doing kind of a little memorial service. So I wasn't saying too much when I was there. I just wanted to be respectful of their time. But yeah, I mean, these are very pretty here. Tinker Cliffs, McAfee's Knob, and the Dragon's Tooth are very pretty. But you know, particularly the Dragon's Tooth takes a lot of scrambling to get up there, and then while McAfee's Knob and Tinker's Cliffs do not, you can pretty much walk right up to them. When you're there, yeah, it can be dangerous. You need to be careful. Walking along the ridge line. Beautiful view down into the valley. Heading down there pretty soon. That is called the monolith. Kind of a mini dragon's tooth, if you will. A little bit of shade.
I'm saying, is this like rain? Or is that natural? Like it was graffitied and painted over or something?
Yeah, that's a good point, maybe. I'll be heading down the other side of town, but on this side there's a beautiful reservoir. Here's a power line break and an unobstructed view of the reservoir. It's actually raining right now. I don't think it's gonna last, but it's raining. So closing out day 31 on the Appalachian Trail. Walked 26 miles, had a great day, and wound up in Daleville just before 7 p.m. Checked into the Howard Johnson. I had a reservation here. It's a $50 hiker rate, so I mean you can't beat that. So I got a shower. And my clothes are soaking right now, so I've got this on. Clothes are soaking in the tub, and so I'll let them dry overnight and then put them back on when I get moving again tomorrow. But yeah, I went got a lot of Mexican takeout, way too much, and some beers, and then for dessert I've got a little Yingling going on and some ice cream. And so that's dessert for for this evening. So that wraps up day 31 and my first month on the Appalachian Trail. This is the end of the month of May. I'm at mile marker 730. So essentially I have walked 1/3 of the Appalachian Trail my first month. I'll take that. Yep, I'll take that. Feeling good, feeling strong. The body's gonna appreciate being in a bed tonight and some dry sheets. Gonna appreciate that. And tomorrow morning I will get up and do a resupply at the grocery store and then get back on trail. Somebody asked how much money I had been spending on trail. So I looked that up, tried to figure out how much I had spent during the month of May. And this is all on trail. This is all lodging, you know, hostels, hotels, that sort of thing, all restaurant food, beers, burgers, all that. And then any resupply I bought while on trail. It does not include what's in my resupply boxes. I get a resupply box about every 400 miles, which primarily includes a pair of new shoes for me, because I need new shoes every 400 miles, and then my vitamin supplements. There's a couple other items, but that's primarily it. Does not include that, but everything that I purchased on trail added up, and it's right at $1,300. So that's not bad. I mean, I'm not being frugal, but I'm also not going wild. I'm just spending what I need to spend to get down the trail. I think I'd spend more money if I was just sitting at home. So that's not bad. So $1,300 for walking the trail the first month of May. Tomorrow, 1 June, and day 32. It's gonna be good. See you tomorrow.